Gossips, trending, viral content, celebrity lifestyle. Welcome to Miracle Jameson. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time here, kindly do to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop a new video like this. So that's much of a time. Let's get right into the gist of today. So guys, the Candlelight procession and tribute for Mohbad is currently happening in Lekki, and Davido kept to his promise and stormed the tribute venue at the Muri Okonola Park, where the Candlelight procession and tribute is taking place right now with a whole lot of other celebrities I'm going to be telling you guys about in my full coverage of the event. For now, this is just the beginning phase. Stay tuned for the full video. Belashmeda was also looking sad as he prepared to go out for this tribute. So guys, the Nigerian police released an update on Mohbad's body. You guys know I posted earlier that they exhumed the body already, so the Nigerian police force is back with an update on the autopsy of Mohbad. It reads, the Nigerian police force wishes to inform the public that the autopsy procedure for Mr. Mohbad has been successfully completed. Further information will be provided as soon as the results are available. Wow, that was fast. That was really fast. I never expected the autopsy would be done so quickly, and we're going to get the autopsy in the next 6 to 5 hours, but just make sure you stay tuned on my channel because I have everything right here for you guys. Don't go anywhere. I'm very certain Naramali Sam Larry are actually trying to hide right now because the truth is about to be exposed, and of course it's going to shake everywhere when it's exposed, and we'll finally know if the nurse was guilty. Sam Larry, Naramali, anybody that was involved in this case will be brought to book, including Mohbad's father. So let's just hope the autopsy comes out really well. I got all the updates. For now, I'm going to be leaving you with Mohbad Candlelight procession and tribute at Lekki. So guys, make sure you watch this video to the end and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys soon.
Bobo, justice for Imole. Oh no, ẹ má fara sí o. Ó ń gbóná gidi. Kò gbá kankan.
They're not going to sleep there. They're not going to every location. Hello, what do you say?
Lights off. If you don't get candle, remove your phone, all your lights. Please. I beg, if you're going to blow something, then just calm down. I want everybody to be quiet now. Everybody. Please, can we be quiet, please? Please. This is the moment we need to speak to Mohbad. I want everyone to be quiet. 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 If you don't blow anything, please, quiet. Listen, if you're at the back, anywhere you are, lights off, lights off. I want everybody to be quiet. I want everybody to be quiet. Please don't blow anything there, please. See, I use Mohbad's spirit, beg you. I beg you. I'm begging you. Please, listen, kill it, kill it, kill it. Hey, kill him. Listen. Let's go. Drop it.
I'll see you guys on my next video as we await the autopsy, and don't forget I'm going to give you a proper coverage of this Lekki candlelight procession and tribute for Mohbad. So make sure you don't go anywhere on the channel. It's been your boy Miracle Jameson. I'll see you guys soon.
Boss, if you have one word,
keep blessing the face. Mohbad is a legend.
Let some lady come and say 50 bottles for him. Don't remain straight. Who host him 50 bottles?